In this video, I'll be showing you an overview of the My Projects page. From the Clemelopy Workspace homepage, select My Projects in the left side navigation bar. Here, you'll see that you have the option to search projects or create a new project using this button in the right-hand side. This main content area is where all of your projects will live. Each project will have its own project card that shows a thumbnail of the project, the title, the date that the project was created, and the type of project that it is. Right now, we only have linking strategy available, so this will only show linking strategy. You can view your project, download it as a PDF, or select the trash can icon to delete it. To view it, click the View button. This will open the individual project page. And that is the overview of the My Projects page.